huge increases in performance and battery life, along with stunning new designs, the transformation has been profound. And combined with the power and ease of macOS, the user experience is unrivaled. M2 chip, which has been a huge boost for the 13-inch MacBook Pro and the all-new MacBook Air. This is the new Mac Mini with M2.
Paired with the Studio display and Magic accessories, the Mini becomes a mighty Mac desktop setup. And they also love its versatility to build farms and data centers too. M2 features a faster next-generation CPU and GPU, much higher memory bandwidth, and a more powerful media engine for blazing performance. So you'll fly through everyday tasks between your favorite apps and be super. Workflows like image editing in Photoshop are up to 50% faster than M1. With ProRes acceleration coming to the Mini, video editing in Final Cut Pro is over twice as fast. And the new Mac Mini is also great for gaming, running demanding titles like No Man's Sky at even faster frame rates, up to 5 times faster than the best-selling Windows desktop.
On power-efficient performance, introducing M2 Pro. With the supercharged building blocks of M2 and scaled up its architecture to deliver the powerful M2 Pro. M2 Pro delivers 200 gigabytes per second of memory bandwidth, 8 high-performance cores, and 4 high-efficiency cores for up to 20% greater performance over M1 Pro, with up to 19 cores, delivering up to 30% more graphics performance. And the Neural Engine is getting a big boost by 40%. Finally, the powerful media engine of M2 Pro. So that's M2 Pro, featuring a faster CPU and GPU, our next-generation Neural Engine, and our industry-leading media engine.
Musicians can produce music with incredibly powerful plugins and effects without missing a beat. Photographers can adjust huge megapixel images in an instant. Creators can work seamlessly in multicam with multiple camera formats, including ProRes video. And gamers can play titles like Resident Evil Village in console quality. So that's the new Mac Mini with M2 and M2 Pro, with much faster performance and incredible connectivity.
This is Kids of Immigrants.
Let's put this thing to work. So for us, it's really been building a community in tandem with building a brand. Bro, you got so many windows open.
It's real.
That's it. Let's go. Magic.
As kids of immigrants, we do everything with purpose and intention.
Scan this here, drop it there.
Pull it over this way. Danny with the dance moves.
That new Mac Mini.
Woo! You about to go crazy with this.